Due to ongoing geopolitical tensions between China and the United States government imposed limitations on the supply of US-made semiconductor technologies and equipment to Chinese enterprises. Because Samsung operates semiconductor chip manufacturing in China, the company had supply chain challenges that harmed its business. However, the corporation may soon receive some positive news. According to reports, the US may soon announce a new policy that will allow chipmakers to employ US-based chip equipment in their Chinese semiconductor facilities. Previously, the US imposed limitations on the transfer of US-based chip innovations and equipment to China. As semiconductor chip manufacturers such as Samsung and SK Hynix suffered as a result of this limitation, the US government proposed a suspension on the export policy. The US may enable Samsung to bring more advanced chip equipment to its Chinese operations. The US government may update its existing verified end-user list, which is a thorough licensing procedure that restricts the export of specified commodities to corporations that have previously been approved. After being accepted into the verified end-user list, a company does not need to apply for a separate permit to import semiconductor technologies and machines into China. Currently, a permission is necessary to supply Chinese enterprises with application processors manufactured on 16 nanometers, or better FinFET, 18 nanometers DRAM, or better, and 128-layer NAND flash chips, or better. The U.S. Department of Commerce's Bureau of Industry and Security is said to be in talks with Samsung Semiconductor and SK Hynix concerning semiconductor equipment that can be brought into their Chinese chip facilities. According to reports, these conversations are nearly finished, and a final decision might be made soon. Companies will be notified after a decision has been made. As rules ease up, Samsung can improve its semiconductor plants in China to become more competitive. According to reports, the level of chip equipment permitted to be imported into China via VIEW is higher than that of the previous embargo. As a result, Samsung and SK Hynix can import more modern chip equipment to maintain their manufacturing competitive. Huawei has introduced its first in-house Kirin chip, which is manufactured utilizing SMIC's 7nm semiconductor chip production technology. So, there you have it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Subscribe and click the notification bell for more tech news updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.